Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing NumPy timedelta64 type error, invalid datetime, a comprehensive guide. The type error, invalid datetime, often encountered when working with NumPy's timedelta64 arises from discrepancies or inconsistencies between the data you're trying to represent as a datetime and the format or unit expected by NumPy. This comprehensive guide aims to dissect this error, providing various causes and, most importantly, effective solutions with illustrative code examples. Understanding the player's asterisk. Before diving into the solutions, let's establish a solid understanding of the concepts involved. 1. NumPy datetime64 asterisk. This is NumPy's fundamental data type for representing dates and times. It offers efficient storage and manipulation of time-based data. Unlike Python's built-in datetime model,